Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture or avatar on Steam. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your profile picture or avatar on Steam, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to select your profile name right here at the top right of your Steam. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So among these options on the menu, I want you to select this View My Profile option. And then your Steam profile will now be opened. So now that you're on your profile, next, I want you to click this Edit Profile button right here. And then after that, I want you to go to the Avatar tab. And here on the Avatar tab, you can now change your Steam profile picture. You can choose if you want to have a default random picture of Steam here, or you can also just use your own picture that's saved on your computer right here. In my case, I will choose to use the image that's saved on my computer, so I will click this button. And after clicking it, your File Explorer will now appear, so you can now go to the location where the image that you want to use is saved on your computer. And once you've found the image, just go and select it. And after that, there you go guys, your new profile will now be imported, so now you can click the Save button to finally save your changes. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Steam profile picture will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.